What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we got a technical analysis on Siacoin here. Currently up 3% for the day, sitting just below 3 cents. Really quick though, let's take a look at the market. Market cap sitting at 465 billion. Bitcoin dominance 35.3, so slightly going up. Today's volume almost 25 billion. Bitcoin above 9,500, sitting at 9,700, up 5%. Ethereum up 3%, Ripple up 4%, Bitcoin Cash up 2, Litecoin up 7, Cardano up 2, Stellar up 0.35, Neo up 3, EOS up 4, IOTA up 3, Tron up 0.4, VeChain up 17, Omisi Go hasn't moved, Nano down 11, Steam up 1.5%, Stratus up 1. We're not going to scroll too deep, guys. We're not going to look too far. Let's go ahead and look at some price action here. Broke out of our consolidation. Nice bullish engulfing. Still pushing towards the upside. Looking towards, a push towards 11,500. Then possibly some consolidation here for a bit. Ethereum doing the same thing. So not much to say there. Momentum definitely shifting towards the upside. Looking for a nice push towards 1,200. Litecoin had the big push, guys. We went from 150 to 222 or to 220. We went all the way up to about 237, but definitely don't see anything slowing Litecoin down. I could definitely see us hitting, 350 to 375 here pretty soon. Ooh, excuse me. But you guys came here for some Siacoin technical analysis. You can get Sia on Bittrex, Upbit, Poloniex, and hit BTC or their major exchanges there. Market cap sitting at 835 million. Today's volume 12.8 million. Circulating supply here 32.409 billion. Well, or 490 billion, sorry. 32 billion, we'll just say. Almost 33 billion, or 32.5 billion, sorry. But you guys came here for some SIA technical analysis. I already went ahead and marked some level for us, guys. Pretty solid support here at about 2 cents. We'd say 0.20 to 0.25 solid support. So you guys are looking at my lines. So resistance here at about 8 cents and then resistance at 5 cents. You guys are probably looking at my lines like, what's up with this kid? He can't draw lines, or he can't draw trend lines or channels or any of that. But remember, guys, all these supports and resistance and all these trend lines and all these channels, it's all subjective, It's all whether it works for you or whether it doesn't. This works for me, and I'm going to explain why this works for me. So the reason I have this channel here, drew it from up here, resistance, almost touched it there again, touched it there again. We broke out of it, but as you can tell, we were riding that all the way down. Now when you look at it on this side, you're like, well, what happened here? It was a pretty hard drop, and then out of nowhere, almost touched support, came back up, and then we rode it, and then, consolidated for a bit until we fell again. Well, if you look at the date here, guys, the date's all the way at the bottom. January 16th, 2018. Well, that just so happens to be, when people started to panic sell. So there's a reason why it's not respecting. See, right here, January 16th, very hard sell on Bitcoin. There's a reason why it's not going to respect it. It's because it was, very dramatic all of a sudden. So, but right after, we bounced right back up, and then we were riding it, and then we did the same thing here. So we broke out of this channel, came back down actually to test it here for support, and then we broke out of this channel, also doing the same thing here. So this is why I believe Siacoin is getting ready to head towards the upside. If we go ahead and zoom in a little bit, guys, you can see we have higher lows being formed. So I believe our next target here, currently sitting at about 2 cents, is going to be 5 cents here. I see this probably happening, because the way the cryptocurrency market is being treated, it's being treated as a speculative investment, and you really shouldn't be doing it like that. You should be investing in the coin's technology, not by its price. But because Siacoin is one of the cheaper coins, I can definitely see it, being pushed up a little bit faster than some of these other coins. We're currently sitting at 2 cents. I can see us hitting 5 cents probably within the next 2 weeks, I would say. But my long-term goal here for Siacoin, guys, let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. is about 20 cents. There we go. But I don't expect this to happen until late 2018, early 2019, once they start opening their or start looking for partnerships and start actually linking and networking with other companies. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. If you're on Steam, make sure you guys are following, re-steaming, and commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. Make sure you guys are also checking the crypto clothing line. Those links are down below. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.